Hi guys, welcome back. If this one are your first time of seeing my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always sticking to my channel. So today I no want talk about anything relating to Jackma or studying abroad, but today I want show una how I want take unbox my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now for my friends, I actually got this phone because my friends almost all my friends are actually using it, and they go on and on about how iPhone 15 Pro Max is the best iPhone ever and stuff like that. And that's because they know my views generally regarding iPhone. So that waiting won't make me do this video, make I also share my own view regarding iPhones and what I have always thought about it. And maybe hopefully in the future after using this phone, I feel maybe change my mind regarding iPhone. Now, um personal view, I feel iPhones are overrated. Yes, I said so. And see, don't get me wrong, the phone na very nice phone. Like iPhone makes sense. But again, based on the amounts way that they sell them and the on like the overly hyping way people they do, I just feel, they give me that vibe, say water. You understand? Don't get me wrong. Apple products are great. Like they are really great. I use a lot of Apple products. I get MacBook Pro. I get iMac. I get iPad. I get iWatch. So I dey use Apple product. In fact, like personally, I don't think say I feel use any other um Windows laptop as my personal computer. If it's not MacBook, I don't think I would really want to do any other thing because the time where they spend for like all this Windows laptop, I spend half of the time on MacBook and get my things done. So really, I don't think I can use anything outside MacBook when it comes to personal PC, like personal computers. I don't think I want to do that. But I really don't have that same view or sentiment when it comes to iPhone. I just feel like iPhone, it doesn't give me that premium feel. I just don't know why. And it's like I think it's, if not like the most expensive phone you will ever see currently. So I just need something like, if something is worth that much, you know, there should be something unique. Like maybe when they use it, you're like, you would be like, oh, okay, yes, it's really worth it and stuff like that. So basically I just say make I see them, and that is actually why I went with the latest iPhone so far right now as at this video. So iPhone 15 is actually the latest, and they release them for September 2023. So it's like the best they have so far right now. And iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in three, yeah, three like storage, then get the 256 gigabytes, then get the one for 512, and then get the one for 1 terabyte. And all of them, the three of them is actually like 8 gig RAM. So that's it. So this one actually is actually like the 256 because I don't know my money reach with this. So and this is the natural titanium. I think they have like different color. I think this natural titanium is actually like the first color, and it kind of feel unique, and it's kind of really scarce to get this natural titanium. So I think they get for blue, black, and white. I think for those three colors. But I wanted to go for white before, but I just felt like natural titanium, just the color just the unique. So I go to unbox them. So I would have actually unboxed this since because I got this like few weeks ago. So imagine say I get something like few weeks ago, like this, gang feeling, you understand? Like to open and that I got it for like few weeks ago. But that's because I was waiting for my accessories to arrive so that I will do this video, because this video I won't show after the unbox them and then use all the accessories on the phone. So make I don't talk too much. And again, one thing, yes, if I want thing about this iPhone 15 generally for this model, I think it did different from um regions. I think they have three types. They have one for the US market, then get another one for the Asia market, and they get one for the international market, which means it covers Africa, Europe, and the rest of it. So the one from Africa, Europe, the one for international, the international one, iPhone meant for the international market, has one nano SIM and eSIM. And then the one for the US market uses only eSIM. And that is why sometimes when you want to buy like all these used phone, you go see say them will say locked and stuffs like that. And then the third one, the Asia market, those ones two nano SIM, dual SIM that they use. So it is different. So maybe if you see somebody where they use iPhone and you get to SIM, no be chinko, no be fake. So now for Asia markets on then buy. So but this one is the one for the international market, and it's one nano SIM and one eSIM. So if you use one eSIM and then use one nano SIM, maybe I will just try use MTN line. I think I go use that one as my eSIM, and I use the Polish line as my nano SIM. So then I got this case. This is the case from where I go use with them, and it gets this MagSafe logo, and this one are the screen guard, like easy installation. You can see the way I go take install them, and this is to the cleaning kits, the installation kits. And then this one for the back, anti-scratch. Now I need to put that, come on, the phone is quite expensive, so I have to kind of protect it so that the market value go also day high. Maybe in case maybe I no feel them again, I won't sell them so that the market value will still day high. Or maybe if I want to upgrade and I want swap, so yeah, I need to actually protect it so that it the market value not go drop. So generally, so just make I not talk too much. Make we go straight to the unboxing. Lego.
Street orientation. Immunization. Money. Pressure. All my niggas sharp, bro. All my niggas sharp, bro. Cover face like Bagbaja.